In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam an error occurred while launching this game. No licenses error. This message usually points to a license check problem between your Steam client and the game you're trying to run. It can be caused by corrupted files, a messy download cache, an outdated client build, or security software getting in the way. Follow along and we'll work through reliable fixes in order. Start by confirming the game is actually tied to the account you're using. Open your library and make sure the title appears there under your current login, especially if it was a gifted game. If it shows up, right-click the game, choose Properties, go to Installed Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and replace anything corrupted or missing. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and your drive speed. When it's done, close the window and try launching the game again. If the error persists, clear Steam's download cache. This clears stock or outdated data that can interfere with license checks and updates. Exit any running games, then open Steam and go to Steam in the top left, choose Settings, open Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart and may prompt you to sign in again. After you're back in, try the game once more. Next, update the client by opting into the latest beta build. This can resolve version-related glitches that break license verification. In Steam, go to Settings, open Interface, and under Client Beta Participation choose Steam Beta Update or Steam Families Beta. Click OK, allow Steam to restart, and let it apply the update. Once the client finishes updating, launch the game to test. You can switch back to the standard build later if you prefer. Finally, check your antivirus or firewall. Security tools sometimes block the background license check Steam performs. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and try launching the game. If that fixes it, add Steam to your security software's exclusion so you don't need to turn protection off in the future. Look for options to exclude the Steam application and its folders so the client and your games can communicate without being blocked. Remember to re-enable your protections after testing. Work through these steps in order and you should clear the no licenses error and get back into your game. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.